We are preparing to host a number of universities virtually and some of them physically here at Stellenbosch around the theme of the global classroom. And the idea is to bring together the notions of how do we work with local knowledge in a global, virtual, technology-driven educational classroom. And we will learn from each other, and we will discuss the issues critically and begin to ask ourselves, how do we deal in future with web-based learning? We are happy to have the University of Guelph in Canada, the University of Flinders in Australia, the University of Malmö in Sweden, and Stellenbosch University that will be working together in the context of what we started to develop, the context of Hope International. And we will focus on two very important themes. The one is innovation, as we use technology in teaching and learning. The other is transformation, as it impacts the way in which we teach, and as we begin to understand the ways in which students learn. And out of that, hopefully lead the transformation process of our universities, inclusion of blended learning and of virtual learning in its teaching and learning programs. And with that, we hope to grow the process, because this is but the first conference that we will have. And the first conference is called the Stellenbosch Seboka. And because the word Seboka is an African word that means coming together, the meeting of the minds, in order to create something that is good for the future. And it's part of the Hope Project of Stellenbosch University, and we continue to work with it, and you will also be able to meet our partners in Africa, in the broader context of our continent. Partners who have been working with us will also be there, as we have been working on building the idea of a Hope at Africa group of people that have, of people and universities that have already signed a letter of intent. And we're looking forward to have some of the vice chancellors of our partner universities on the continent involved in this very important program. And we hope that between us here in the south and the north, we will be able to learn from each other and develop new ways of teaching and new ways of learning.